Right, some good news. I fixed my head tracker. I've made another one of these. I'll talk about what I had to do. It was such a lot of aggravation, and the actual solution was quite simple as it turned out. I'll write about that in the text, but anyway, yeah, that is my gimbal and this is my head tracker, and you press this button and hold it. That will power it on, and then I just move this around and it works perfect. So no more leaning to the left, nothing. But I tried several firmwares. Eventually I'm using another board in the end, but eventually I've got the thing working and it's been fine. I've tested this loads, not at all. And now when I press the button it centers again. So you can see here, press that button, back to center. So there's no way that's ever going to go left again. So I'm really happy. Anyway, hope to get to fly again soon. Stay tuned.